today we are going to show y'all something really cool, and then Margie has a really fun design that she created.
So we're doing foils today, and y'all asked us to show you how you can use a screen print transfer with the foils. And so it's really funny because I had one I was going to bring and I totally forgot. And then Stephanie was like, "Here, Shyla, I brought this for you."
So
today.
wild.
And we were like, "Oh, perfect, because we can do the foils." So
it's like we were all in sync.
Yeah.
It was weird. And I wore autism stuff today, and this is what this is. It's like an autism-inspired design.
It's crazy. It's crazy.
Screen print transfer. And it is something that you can find online other than at my craft stores. So this is not something that we sell or offer here, but what we do offer here are the foils, and we have a crazy amount of colors and patterns. And so today we're going to be showing you guys how you can take just a basic white, and you can do it with black also, but you can take basic colored screen transfers, press them on, and then the foils stick to it. So you can totally transform the way it looks on a shirt, the colors, the patterns. It's so cool.
It's really cool. So they're
we're
like
dying to show you.
Plastisol.
Yeah, plastisol.
Plastisol.
Yeah.
That's what they're made of. So it doesn't. This does not work with sublimation transfers.
No.
I just want to be upfront, but it's gotta, like, if you get it, you'll know
It's textured
it's
and
got a
raised.
texture.
Yeah.
So.
And real quick, I do want to point out, so this is the type that you had on your shirt yesterday. It feels a lot like vinyl on a shirt.
It really does.
It doesn't feel like sublimation. Sublimation is something that like inks into the shirt.
It fuses to your shirt.
It literally just like,
This rests on top of the shirt like vinyl does.
Yes, so this is not going to be as smooth as sublimation, but this is just a really fun option for you guys. Another way to use foils, and we just thought this would be a really fun thing to show y'all. So this one is an autism themed one. It says to press at 325 for 10 seconds, and you're going to peel it hot. And then you will press your foil on top of that, and foil peels cold.
Yeah.
So it's just a two-step process, just like you would with the Easy Weed adhesive. And Margie's going to walk you through that today.
Yeah.
But first, I think I'm just going to go press this on real quick.
Yep, I turned it up. Make sure it's at 325.
Okay.
And with the screen prints, you do not use a Teflon sheet.
Yes, that's correct.
Very important. You don't have anything between your platen and your shirt, and you want very firm pressure and even heat. People that have issues with their screen prints not adhering all the way, which, I mean, it's a lot of the issues some people have with vinyl. It's a pressure and a heat issue.
Okay, so I'm going to pre-press my shirt for a few seconds. That's to get wrinkles and moisture out. Something else that I want to mention is that this is the Bella Canvas baseball tee, white with royal sleeves, and this is available in the vault for 15% off.
Y'all, go check out that vault. It's amazing.
Yes.
We added someone, I don't know who added, it wasn't me, someone added a ton of stuff to it. And
You said it wasn't me.
I keep shopping in it, and it's really bad.
Now this design is on my shirt. And you guys, it's hard to see because it's white on white right now, but it's totally going to transform when we press the foil to it. And obviously, you know, what the cool thing about this is if you do choose to do foils onto shirts with your screen prints, you don't really necessarily have to pay attention to whether you're getting white inked or black inked designs, because you're going to change it anyways. So you don't have to put a whole lot of thought into the color of your shirt, the color of your screen. It's just really, really cool. So I'm going to go ahead and trim this. So guys, real quick, I just want to point out, sometimes your foils, are we overhead? Sometimes your foils will get real crinkly if you're not storing them correctly. And y'all, if y'all saw marketing here, y'all would just understand. But these foils are in a bin and they get very crinkled. I wouldn't necessarily use your crinkled up pieces if you're wanting it to be solid.
If you want a good solid.
Yeah, because
we got to turn the temp down.
It's very easy to distress foils, and crinkling them up is a way you can get that look. So I'm going to go ahead and just cut off this wrinkled piece. I do not want that. And I'm going to cut a piece that's big enough to cover this whole area here.
And I have weeded, oh, I see a couple pieces I missed. my design with the Easy Weed adhesive. The Easy Weed adhesive is what we sell to use with our foils. It is a clear adhesive Easy Weed that's like sticky. Once you press it, it's got sticky to it, and that's what the foils will adhere to.
Yes. And Margie, how long do they press foils onto the screen?
15 seconds.
Okay. And then like peel cold.
You peel cold, and what I did when I did mine is I like just used the squeegee to rub it, the felt edge squeegee to rub it. But too high of a heat.
Yes, so foils press at 315 or 311, 305, somewhere in there.
It's like 310.
You're doing 310?
I did 310. So for mine, y'all, I'm gonna show you how easy it is to use multiple different foils.
I forgot we were doing that.
With one press. So I'm gonna let Shyla do hers first because we gotta let the heat press cool down. My shirt has to press at first. The adhesive presses at 305 for 5 seconds. And then you layer the foils on top.
So, Margie, is this SVG uploaded?
It is not uploaded yet. It will be later today.
Okay, it's gorgeous, you guys. Did we screen share and show them this design? Y'all, look how beautiful this is. I love the colors that Margie chose.
Cool.
We're going to, like Margie said, all these different colors are going to be different color foils.
Yes.
So this is going to be so epic. I can't wait to see it
And
finished.
this would look really cool on like a natural shirt.
Yeah.
And you could use more colors. Yeah, Emery's going to be doing that
Emery's
later.
like, I'm doing natural.
So maybe she'll do that and show us on TikTok. I'm going to use the steel blue for mine.
Yes,
So.
and once again, guys, these are our new Bella Canvas
Yes.
colors. We have steel blue, mauve, and sunset. If you did not know that, go get our new colors. We're really excited. Our Bella Canvas tees are available in sizes extra small through 3XL, and they start at $5.15. So they're a really great value. And
you can combine them with your vinyl order and save money.
Yeah, get all your vinyl, all your supplies, all your shirts, everything in one place. And guys,
An order ship free for $50.
yes. So that's another huge bonus. Are we cooled off?
I think so. Yep.
Okay. Yep.
Leslie said I will need Margie's SVG.
I know,
All right,
it's gorgeous.
yes, I'll get it uploaded after the live.
Blue gold tie-dye foil. That is what's on this autism shirt. And it is in the vault for 15% off, you guys. And the foils come in a 25-foot roll. I don't think we mentioned that yet. It's 12 inches by 25 foot. Y'all will have this forever unless you're doing like a 100 shirt order. But, I mean, it is going to last you a good while.
Guys, here is the Easy Weed adhesive pressed on.
I know, right? It looks so cool.
I love just the shirt that
So you guys, something that I want to point out that I learned the hard way is the Easy Weed adhesive is sticky when it's hot.
Yes.
So if you rip off that carrier sheet and then for some reason your shirt bunches together, y'all, it is a nightmare. It sticks together.
It's really bad.
You've ruined your whole design. If there's words, you can forget it. They are tearing. So just make sure that you are peeling your carrier sheet gently to where nothing scrunches back up and touches each other, because it will definitely, while it's hot, it will stick to each other.
That is
Once
true.
it cools, it's not sticky anymore.
So I'm going to put my pressing pillow underneath here just to make it easy for when I transport it to, I'm just trying to get under here. So when we transport it to the heat press, I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to add different foils. So many different
I'm so
colors.
excited.
I kind of want to use that one on it too.
Do you?
What do you think?
I don't know. I kind of like the muted
Okay,
look.
we'll
of
just do
ones
the
you
muted.
chose.
Okay, so I chose a lot of foils
She
because
did.
I love the foils.
Yes.
So we have powder blue,
Yes. Powder blue is gorgeous.
and they come. Oh, someone taped it.
How many pieces of each color do you think you're gonna want?
No, I gotta figure that out.
Okay. Hey Emery, can you grab another pair of scissors? There's just like 3 pairs in that cup.
So we've got.
She's getting me a pair.
Okay,
Keep
we've got. I was gonna do the butterflies in the cracked silver,
Perfect. Oh my
cracked
gosh, I love
ice,
that.
because I just thought they would look really cool floating up above. So wherever you put the foil is where it's gonna stick. So if you're trying to just do like one, like I only want the butterflies to be this cracked silver. I don't want them to be another color. So I'm just gonna put the foil directly on top of the butterflies, if that makes sense.
Yeah. These scissors are awful.
Oh my gosh.
Denise said, I love you all. Love watching you.
Aw, thanks, Denise.
We're so glad.
Francis said, I need to get this foil.
The
Yes,
foil
yes,
is
you need
so
the foil.
much fun.
I don't
Okay.
think I cut this long enough. Did I? No, it's not. It's a little too short.
Okay. So then it's just figuring out the length that you need
Yes.
and cutting your foil to kind of go in the spot that
I
you
want
want it.
kind of going with the design variation
Okay.
that you have. That's
cool.
okay. Let me
Mhm.
trim this down.
You have terracotta there.
I do.
And then this is rose gold. Y'all know I love some rose gold.
Is foil easy to work with?
Yes.
Matthew said, I want to do some holiday cards with it, but I want to learn more about it.
Okay, so when you print on laser toner and you use foils on that, running it through a laminator or even using your heat press, guys, it is so easy and so cool.
It is
So
really cool.
simply all you do is you just press or you print what you want. So if you were doing a holiday card, you would just press, why do I keep saying that?
I don't know.
You would just print your design with laser ink toner, and then you press your foils onto that. So it is so easy. It turns out gorgeous. Definitely something y'all should experiment with if you have not done that.
Mm-hmm. All right. Bear with us as we.
Can you use foil on normal HTV vinyl?
No.
Yeah, it does stick.
It sticks to it, but it's not a consistent stick, if that makes sense.
Silver pixie dust.
Is it not in there?
I'm still looking.
I thought I saw it, but maybe I didn't.
Maybe we can get someone to bring us down more.
Maybe.
What should I do the stay wild in? Should I do it in terracotta or silver?
Thank you.
Maybe you should do it in this again.
Kayla got it. Kayla. You want it back?
Alright guys, so it's just really important that you make sure like the colors that you want, where they are, is sticking to the materials that you have it placed on, because it is really easy, because you can't see through the foils, to get them overlapped to where like something's touching this part of the adhesive and it's not supposed to be. And guys, it still ends up looking okay.
Oh yeah, even if it overlaps,
Yeah.
it's okay.
Sometimes we've goofed up things and it still looks good.
Okay, so we're at 310. I'm gonna press it for 15 seconds. If I don't burn myself. You do want to use a Teflon sheet or a heat resistant sheet over the top. Okay, the timer's working.
So there's not much to it. Just cut it the same way you do your regular
And
HTV.
again, you don't have to do this. It just makes me feel better.
It is like a tick you have.
It
You're
is. I'm like, let's wrap the foils. Let's get them on there good. So, I feel like it helps them cool down too.
I don't know what that. I was gonna say something else and forgot it. Oh, just make sure you guys, like, it is kind of hard to tell on the Easy Wood adhesive which side that you cut on.
Yes, it is.
And so just keep that in mind. If you're confused, just, get a corner, peel it back, and whatever side is sticky, you're going to want to put that side down on your mat. Because it is kind of hard to see, but it is shiny side down, just like your regular HTV.
And if you're not sure, pick a corner. Like,
Yes.
pick the corner of it. Okay.
We're already ready?
Yeah.
I'm gonna see. It does that with better pressure, which is really nice.
Oh my gosh. really cute with the butterflies.
Look at the blue. Oh, it's so good.
Oh, I love it.
It's so
So
beautiful.
pretty. Okay, here's for TikTok and Instagram.
Oh my gosh.
I
Don't
love
y'all
it.
just love
Anyway.
it. Terracotta is also one of her
Anyway,
faves.
it is. I love it. So.
What do y'all
Carol
think of our
asked-
new steel blue color on the
Isn't that
shirt?
pretty? I love
So
it.
great.
I love it.
I know it's great.
I always wash my shirts with foil inside out, which you really should do with all of your HTV.
Yes.
I dry it on low until it's just a little damp, and then I hang it up.
Yeah.
High heat, if you dry it on high heat, it will dull your foils, so
Yeah.
they're not as shiny.
Absolutely.
But you can for sure like save them
Yeah,
and
save your
work like
pieces.
that's great for like the butterflies or
Yeah.
small details.
Small
So-
pieces, small details. Y'all, but foils are so gorgeous.
So fun.
We'll see you guys later. We will not be on tomorrow. Margie's got some other things. She'll not be here in the morning. But maybe we'll see you guys again on Thursday.
Yeah,
All
for
right.
sure. All right, go
Bye,
buy some new
guys.
shirts and foils.
See ya.